This is what we have to listen to every time Oliver's unhappy.
Yo, pee-pee. Look at me.
Yeah, go potty.
Yo, pee-pee. How bad?
Oh.
Easy. Sit down. You're not going to poop.
Vicious.
Sit down. Sit, Oliver.
So
Sit down, buddy. Sit down. Sit down.
So defiant.
Tell me what you gotta do.
What do you gotta do?
Yo, pee-pee.
How
Bad?
bad? How bad? Oh, that was pathetic.
You gotta go poop? Okay, give me a kiss. If you wanna go bathroom, give me a kiss. If you wanna go bathroom, give me a kiss.
He's looking at me. Ow. 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 Ow, he's getting vicious. I better take him out. Ow.
You gotta wipe your butt. You got a poopy?
Oh, way to go.
Can I hear you? Okay, enough. Shh, shh.
Cut. Quiet and you'll go out. Quiet. Quiet.
Ow, ow, ow. No poopy for you. Fine. Bye.